what you're expecting from the Fed and what you're expecting from US GDP?
Yeah, I think for the Fed, we are expecting it to hike 75 basis points in this meeting. And going forward, before the end of this year, possibly we may see another 100 basis point rise, right? And this would raise the Fed funds target rate to above 3.4%, as indicated by the dot plot. And for the GDP, I'm expecting possibly to be slower, maybe a little bit disappointment, but whether U.S. is already in a recession or not, I think is subject to debate. We expect that a genuine recession probably is coming, but possibly in the 2023. So we are really on a path of slowing down for economic momentum going forward. It will be a difficult situation for the Fed, right? Obviously, they are facing a weakening economy, but if inflation are still resilient, they still need to hike.
You say a genuine recession. What is genuine in your definition?
Obviously, generally, people are expecting that if you record two consecutive sequential contractions in GDP, then that's a recession. But the actual definition is that you need to have the NBER to look at other cyclical indicators like employment or industrial manufacturing's growth in order to determine one. So it is not as what generally believe on the market chatter is that you have a sequential contractions, two consecutive, then that's a recession. Yeah, it needs to be deeper.
Yeah, so but you're expecting that to happen, even if we do see two consecutive quarters of negative growth. You're expecting that to get worse then?
Possibly, I think look at the trajectory right now. Growth are weakening, but then because of resilient price pressure, there's almost no monetary or fiscal stimulus support coming from the governments or the Fed, right, really to cushion growth. So, in this difficult situations, probably growth momentum is just going to be weaker than anticipated.